This might be the fastest OLED gaming monitor ASUS has ever made, and honestly, it looks like it's from the future. But is the ROG Swift PG27AQWP-G Edition 20 actually worth the hype? First, this is a 27-inch QHD OLED gaming monitor that pushes an insane 540 Hz refresh rate, and if you switch to dual mode, it can reach 720 Hz at HD resolution. Pair that with an ultra-fast 0.03 millisecond response time, and you're looking at esports level performance. ASUS also upgraded it with 4th-generation Tandem OLED technology, delivering 15% higher brightness, 25% more color volume, and a claimed 60% longer OLED lifespan compared to previous WOLED panels. The new true black glossy coating makes blacks look deeper while cutting reflections by 38%, so games stay sharp even in bright rooms. For OLED protection, ASUS includes OLED Care Pro, a neo-proximity sensor that automatically turns the screen black when you walk away, plus a custom heatsink and a 3-year warranty to reduce burn-in worries. Connectivity is future-ready, too, thanks to DisplayPort 2.1a with 80 gigabits bandwidth, HDMI 2.1, G-Sync compatibility, 99.5% DCI P3 color coverage, true 10-bit color, and Display HDR True Black certification. And the best part? The transparent rear shell with real 24K gold-plated accents makes this limited edition 20 monitor look like a collector's piece. So, is this the ultimate OLED gaming monitor or just an expensive flex? On paper, ASUS packed it with some of the most advanced gaming display tech they've ever released. But the real question is, would you actually buy one? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest gaming tech reviews.